Doing beautiful.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. Inshallah.
कोर्ट है सिर्फ ये खुशी है रोज़ादारों के लिए रोजे जो गए उनकी नसीब आई है. This happiness is for the fasting people. Fasting has gone from fast, so now the seed has been achieved with happiness. So this is the reward of Eid al-Fitr. Eid Allah has appointed for the people those who are fast-feeding Allah. As like they were worshipping or doing ibadah and fasting to getting the prayer and the permission of Allah. Allah has said that Roza fasting Siyam is for me and I will provide reward for this. This proves that Roza fasting is for the fast pleasing Allah and to self and enlightenment as well. After 1 month of Ramadan, those who are fasting receive the reward of their effort. This is an reward for the effort for the entire month. With this, the mercy of Allah is on them as shadow. That's why all Muslims celebration the Fitr with enthusiasm and happiness. The real happiness goes to those who are punctually praying, consecutively fasting, are doing good deeds and also involving others in their happiness and also in their. Eid al-Fitr is a day of greatest happiness and that all of Allah's angels standing in every street calling out to all Muslims, go to your Lord.